Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a lead code question movie rating. Here we have given table movies which contains movie ID title, and we have another table that is user table which contains user ID name, and we have final table movie rating which contains movie ID username, user ID rating and created date. Okay, we'll jump into the question. Write a solution to find the name of the user who has rated greatest number of movies. In case of tie, written lexicographical smaller username, and another condition is find the movie name with higher average rating in February 2020. In case of any tie, written same smaller movie name, and this is we have some example test cases here. You can observe, like we have movie table, user table, and a movie rating table, and this is the output. So here you can see for Daniel user ID 1. Here you can see user ID have Daniel and Monica has rated 3 movies. So here you can see Monica is ID with ID 2. So 1 and 2 rated most of the movies, and we need to take uh, if there is a tie, then we need to take smallest number, right? Means smallest lexicographical method, I mean name. So that's all. We need to print what are the who are the most rated one and what is the most rated movie in February 2022, 2020. So for this I am going to write a solution. Before going to solution, please pause the video and try for your solution. Hope you will get. And I'm starting my solution. So here we have 3 tables, right? So we need to take data from 3 different tables. So that's why I'm using different names here for each table. Rating, user rating count. So here you can see in output we need to take person name who rated most of the movies, and what is the most rated movie in February, right? So for that, I'm finding out user rating counts, how many counts user gave to particular movies, so that we can grab most, what we say, most rated person. I mean, how many times a maximum rated person we need to take. So for that, I'm using this. So as for that, select. I'm taking you as username. I will do joins here. So I'm taking username and count of, I'm taking movie rating as MR, and that is movie underscore ID as rating count. Rating underscore count, and I'm taking this from, first I'm taking name from user table, and I'm joining user table with movie rating, so that we can find here in movie rating table we have data of user ID, right? In username we have data of username, so both are having common in user IDs. So movie rating, I'm marking it as MR, and this as U on U dot user ID should be equal to MR dot user ID, and they should be grouped by user ID because we need to find counts of particular user, right? We need to find one particular user, how many ratings he gave to different movies. So that's why I'm using group by. And this is one we got here, maximum ratings given to different user, giving maximum ratings to different maximum movies. Okay, so we need to find uh, top one, right? Who gave this is like, you'll get all the data and all the users who gave rating to different movies, but we only want one particular person who is having giving more number of ratings to more number of movies. So for that I'm using another table that is a top user. As I'm selecting name from this table and order by mm, this is the rating count. So it should be ordered by rating count, because we in descending order we need to take, right, then only we can find maximum number. Okay, and we should order by name also if there is a tie. So if there is a tie, we need to select the top one, right, until I mean like lexicography, I think so. Lexicographically order we need to take, that is nothing but uh, alphabetical order. So we need to take that. So till here we completed for user, and we are writing this. Next we need to write for movie in February rating as. So this logic is for to find um, maximum rated movie in February 2020, 2020, yeah, I think, yeah, 2020, February 2020. So for that I'm again using MR, that is already used here. I mean, I'm marking movie rating as MR, so that's why I'm taking this, and we need to find the movie ID, right? Similar to above logic, we are applying for movie IDs here, and we need to take um, explain you this. Here we use name, and here we are taking title from movie. So, and we need to find the average of ratings, right? For that I'm using Mr. Average of rating as average underscore rating. And next one is that we need to select from. Initially we are selecting this from movie rating and marking this as MR, and joining it with movies and marking it as M on M dot movie ID should be equal to MR dot movie ID. And we need to write a condition where MR dot create rate At between should we need to mention the date, right? Between 2020 02 01 and 2020 02 29. So here we mentioned for February, it should be grouped by movie ID from movie rating and m dot title. So from this we need to find the top one. So for that I am writing top movie. Taking temp table that is top movie, and I'm selecting title from this table and order by average rating, score rating in descending so that we can find the top one, and by title, and limiting it to one, like we need only one record, right? So I'm selecting name comma name as, hey, as mentioned here, result in colon, so name as results from top user, and I'm using union all, similar to above one. I'm selecting title from top movie. This is all, guys. We'll run and see whether it is working fine or not. Hope it will work. Yeah, I will try for it in test cases too, whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, it is working fine, and this is the question and this is the logic for it. Thank you, guys. Hope you understand. If you have any queries, please do comment. I will reach out to you. Thank you, guys. Please do support and subscribe. Bye bye.